This is the Two Hawks double flute in the key of A minor. And it is made out of Spanish cedar with 2 turquoise cabochons. And it does have 2 mouth holes, one for the melody side and one for the drone side. You can play single or double. You can choose either go back and forth. This particular one happens to have 3 fingering holes on the drone side, and they're covered right now. We put covers on them so you could choose which drone note you'd really like to play. I'm going to play it both ways, and I'll show you how to do that. And here's its natural voice. Natural is important because we don't use any, in our sound samples, there are no reverb, no audio enhancement, in other words. It's exactly what it sounds like when you get it. And here, I'm going to play single, double, back and forth so you get a sense of it. Okay, now let's move. I'll remove one of the pads here, one of the covers. And now this would be the drone note. One thing that's important with the double flutes, they're wonderful, they're just really a joy to play, and they're very creative. But it is important that before you get into a double flute, have played a single flute and feel really comfortable with it. Just so that you have a good, some basics in playing how a single flute plays, and they're comfortable with it, and it's just easy. And you're bored and you want something new, go double. But it is important to play the single first.